Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Tether, USDT, from KuCoin to Robinhood. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, Robinhood offers easy access to your funds for trading or spending, while KuCoin is great for spotting deals. Let's get started. First, log into your KuCoin account. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for extra security. It's a must in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallets section and find your Tether balance. Next, navigate to the Withdrawal page. Select Tether, USDT, from the list of assets. Now, here's a crucial part. Choose the right network. In 2025, networks like TRC20 or ERC20 are common, but Robinhood typically supports specific ones, so double-check their requirements to avoid any lost funds. Enter the withdrawal amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees, which can vary. Now, grab your Robinhood wallet address. Log into your Robinhood app or website, go to your crypto wallet, and copy the USDT address. Paste this carefully into the KuCoin withdrawal form. Double-check for any typos, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Hit the Withdraw button and confirm the transaction with any required authentication. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. This process usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Robinhood and check your wallet. Your Tether should appear shortly. If it doesn't, don't panic. Use the transaction ID from KuCoin to track it on a blockchain explorer. A few quick tips. Always verify addresses, use the latest app versions, and never share your private keys. In 2025, with more advanced security features, keep an eye out for Robinhood's integrated tools for safer transfers. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.